In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this HUAWEI. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down. Then look for battery section, and when you find it, click on it. Following that, you need to click on this gray sweater next to performance mode, and after that, as you can see, higher performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you can always do that by tapping on the same now blue sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!